Arslan, so can you walk us through the key milestones and achievements for 2024 for the Development Finance Institution?
Sure. There's actually three key achievements that I'd like to highlight. 2024 was a record year for us. We did 22 client engagements where we helped attract impact-focused investors for $5.6 billion of transactions. And for the first time, we actually started serving clients in higher income jurisdictions to measure the development impact of their operations in developing countries and attract capital for those pieces of their operations. The second thing is that, as you know, we also work to measure the development impact of the entire commercial and investment bank, regardless of whether we were attracting impact investors for those specific transactions, but to measure the development impact of the firm. And 2024 was yet another record there, where we evaluated $139 billion of transactions that jpmorgan executed to have development impact. And lastly, we have been serving as the co-chair of the Impact Disclosure Task Force, a network of about 80 financial institutions and capital markets stakeholders to scale financing for the Sustainable Development Goals over the past 2 years. 2024 was a key milestone for us, as in October 2024, we published the Impact Disclosure Guidance, which created a simplified and harmonized way for entities to measure and disclose their development impact and to attract impact investors. And that, we think, is going to be a stepping stone to really scaling financing for the SDGs.
And so for 2025, what are DFI's key priorities looking ahead for the year? And I want to know, what are you most excited about?
Well, what really excites me about 2025 is our effort to facilitate the provision of impact data in financial markets by creating a new impact data and analytics platform. And to do that, we're now partnering with a set of other banks to apply this common methodology using AI and LLMs and other advanced technologies across the investable universe, and facilitating the provision of this data and the usage of this data, and ultimately the integration of this data into capital allocation decision making, something that we think over the next 5 years can actually help create a new $1 trillion asset class for sustainable investors.